Bonanza.
I think we were infected with fleas.
You're infested by everything.
A step closer to testing this thing out. This is trip 4 to the tip. Not the last.
The bathroom.
We got ourselves a ride-on mower.
The composting toilet. It's a very simple, portable gas hot water laundry tub.
Kitchen sink.
Yeah.
The stables.
Or the wind. Waste.
This is going to the tip transfer station at Willow CC.
Worms in their home. With some food.
And we'll have some delicious worm juice for the dance.
The worms.
I glued in like that. Hello! You want to wear it as jewellery, it's so pretty. Uh-oh. It did look like it's working. But the perfect addition to the wild OzSteading.
Don't forget, like, subscribe. Thank you.
It really does quite a lot for a small machine.
Up for the bit, Mark fly.
This thing is up.
Thanks for joining us. See you later.